Do you know anything about recycling? Hey there! Welcome to my magical world of Kidio'sclub where trash cans turn into shiny bikes. I'm here to test your knowledge on all things recycling. Are you ready to sort through some trash and uncover some treasure? Let's get started. First question, do you know what this is? Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. It's a tin can. When I put it in the recycling bin, it turns into a shiny new bike. That's right. In our kingdom, trash cans are made of tin, which is 100% recyclable. And when we collect enough cans and sell them to the recycler, we can buy something amazing like a bike. In the magical recycling kingdom, we use 100% recycled paper to make all sorts of things like cards, bags, and even crowns. And if you recycle your paper, cardboard, and glass in the recycling bin, why, it is manufactured into new paper, cardboard, or glass. And so we help to reduce waste and save our planet. But wait, there's more. These bottles are made of plastic, which can be recycled over and over again. In our kingdom, we use them to make all sorts of things like toys, tools, and even furniture. And if you recycle your plastic in the recycling bin, why, it is then recycled into new plastic. Here in the magical recycling kingdom, we take all of the trash that you recycle and turn it into something amazing. So remember, when you recycle, you're not just cleaning up trash, you're actually helping the environment. So let's all work together to keep our planet clean and green. And who knows, maybe one day you'll even visit the magical recycling kingdom. Thank you for watching. Hey there, I hope you enjoyed the magical recycling kingdom. Did you learn something new? Share what you know about recycling with your friends and family. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Until next time, happy recycling. That's a wrap for today. Catch you later. Bye-bye. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe so you won't miss our next fun video from Kidio'sclub. Remember to stay awesome.